tells about Jesus as according to Mark chapter 15 from verse 16 to verse 32. The soldier them laugh after Jesus. So the soldier them lead him go in at the palace, that are the governor yard, and call up the other soldier them we in at them group. Them put one long purple jacket pan Jesus and one crown make out of maca bush pan him head. They start big him up and I say, manners and respect to the Jew them king. Then them lick him up in him head with one piece of thick and pit up pan him. Then them go down pan them knee and go on like say them a worship him. When they done mock him and take him make precky, them take off him purple robe and put on back him own clothes. Then them carry him go away for nail him upon the cross. Them kill Jesus upon the cross. One man named Simon, we come from Cyrene, did a come in from country. Him a did Alexander and Rufus' father. The soldier them force him to carry Jesus' cross. Them carry Jesus go one place when named Golgotha. That mean the skull place. Them try to give him wine mixed with one spice named myrrh, but Jesus wouldn't drink it. Then them nail him on the cross. The soldier them throw dice for share up in clothes and for find out who forget which part. At the 9 o'clock in the morning when them kill him on the cross, then them write on one piece of board where him do make them kill him. It reads say, the Jew them king. And them kill 2 thieves same time with him. One pan him right hand side and one pan him left hand side. The people them where did a pass say some terrible sin to Jesus. They shake them head and say, aye, you we can mash up God's house and build it back in a 3 days. Come off of this cross and save yourself now. And on them one, all the head priests them, plus the law teacher them, and the Jew leader them, laugh after Jesus. Them say, him save other people, but he can't save himself. Make the Christ, the one we say him a Israel king, come down after the cross now, make we see, and we will believe him. And the 2 where them did nail upon the cross with him, cuss him out too. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.